And you also learned about the difference between an open and closed circuit. And when the switch is open, you have an open circuit because you do not have a completed pathway. And then when we close the switch, we've closed our circuit. I'll just open it and I'll close it back. So hopefully you can see the bulb is now energized or light. But the other thing that this activity is wanting to demonstrate is we can use this circuit with this switch to determine what is a conductor and what is an insulator. Remember, a conductor is going to allow electricity or electrons to flow. Insulator will not. But the other thing I want to do is I want to wire this up. And this is wired the way they show you in the book, using individual pieces of wire. But I want to use the alligator clip. So what I'm going to do now is replace all these wires with alligator clips. And we're going to need to remove the wire strands off the bulb holder. So now we have our basic components. And now I'm going to use a red alligator clip on the red lead or the positive battery terminal. So I'll make one connection on the battery and the other connection on one side of the bulb holder. And I'm going to use another rebel because now I've got to get from the opposite terminal on the battery holder to my switch. So now I've got this same circuit using the alligator clips. And I know it's a little bit cumbersome because of these long leads on these alligator clips. Plus I'm trying to zoom in with this camera. So now we've replaced the hard wires now with alligator clips, and we still have the same effect using our switch. So what you will do with this activity is I've got a table, and you fill in this table based on the various materials you want to utilize. And you got a column in there where you can make a prediction. Will it conduct, yes or no? And then the actual results. So let's take the cardboard switch out. And now we can real quick, rapidly check other items or the same items in this case, because it's easy to make a connection. And here's our rubber piece, our rubber band. What about our toothpick? Same result. What about our nail? Yep, it is a good conductor. What about, there's a lot of things I could do. What about the end of my screwdriver? Well, it's metal, so it certainly should be a good conductor. So anyway, that's the idea, and that's the idea using alligator clips. You can rapidly change your circuit configuration, so that's why I like to use them.